Hello friends, it's Sean Beejerks, and I'm making this video, as well as a series of other videos that I'm going to reference, in response to some questions that I've been getting from my house dance students. So some of my students that are either new, or students that are seeing steps for the first time and they want to go home and practice them. Sometimes they miss some of the details in the steps, or they go home and practice and then realize that they were making a mistake in class and it carried over. So I made a series of short tutorial videos that you can use to aid your practice or supplement what you're doing already. It's just some of my perspective on different house basics, different ways that I have of teaching them in my classes. These are not unlike a lot of other house dance tutorials that you can find on YouTube and other places, but I do try to highlight different mistakes and different details inherent in some of these steps that people might not cover elsewhere. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials. I hope they help your practice. If you ever want to dive deeper into some of the basics, I offer some online dance modules where I go into detail on certain house basics, including the shuffle and dodge, and give you different exercise and techniques to understand the step better and to give you variations and different combinations you can put together. So those modules are for students that want to dive a little bit deeper. So you can check my website, seanbeejerks.com. The link to that is in the description of this video, as is a link to the playlist of the house tutorials that this video is about. So I hope that I can help you boost your training and that you get somewhere by watching these videos.